Look at that. I can move my character. That's so cute. Lena, stop! Honestly, let's get rid of these two. I'm thinking of some tables in the back this time for some snacks, maybe. I don't know. Why not? I don't quite get the point of this event, but oh, whatever. Alright, let's do these stupid candles. If I ever go bridezilla enough to want to spend 1 month, a whole month, of friggin' taking photos to remember my wedding, oh, please shoot me. So I usually do 4 of these each wall, and that seems to be like how I get my ratings, or the max crystals. I guess with this one, 3 might be enough. It looks nice. Also, in case anyone's wondering, Lena is my dog, and she decided to play with my cat as soon as I hit play on this video. So, I apologize about hearing me yell at my dog real quick. She doesn't get it. Oop. Okay. Let's see what I got in my inventory to add to this. Oh, whoa. I didn't notice these. Flower stands? Okay. Definitely gotta add that. Lately, I've just been adding one of my Sakura plants because they're pink and that's what she wants. Stuff that's pink. It doesn't matter if it's all the same stuff or not. I'm sure it doesn't even matter how you organize it, but yeah. I'm not gonna put all this work into it just to have it look terrible. Oh, I'm in the way again. It's so cute. Look it. I wonder if I can pick them up. Oh, I totally can. Ah! Okay. I'm putting you back. No, wait. I can turn her too. Oh, look at that. That's how people are getting the cute photos of them together. Just like that. Aww. How precious. It's only the 3rd time we've had to do this, but oh, look how precious. Okay, let's go back to get a couple flower stands in there. Yeah, I'll do a couple extra just in case. Who cares? Oops, didn't mean to touch the candle. Okay. Oh, whoops, I left some Sakura plants over there. Let's put those, I don't know, over here. I think the point of the event is just to do kind of like, if anyone's played Pocket Camp, whenever you do any of the decorating things on Pocket Camp, none of the rooms that you have to decorate are ever really that pretty or well put together, but that's all they care about is like how much furniture. So now that I have finished and put pink and white things throughout the entire room, I should be able to just take their picture now. There we go. Boop. And then, now that I've taken a picture, I talk to Reese. Oh, yay, I get to keep one of the flower stands. I don't know about you guys, but I'm probably never going to use any of this wedding stuff to decorate my island. I could care less. But you never know. That's why in Animal Crossing, you buy things you don't need anyway, just in case, because you never know. Alright, so now that I've finished, I have to go out here and talk to Harv. And now my quest is done. That's day 3. And if you go back inside, you'll see that the quest is over once it loads. And it's back to Harv's house. So, just feel like that's good to know. Once you leave and you talk to Harv, you can't go back in and take more photos. So, make sure you get it done the first time. And then, oh, I forgot. Let me check my inventory and make sure I did get, indeed, the 11. Yep, I got the maximum 11 heart crystals for my design. As I said before, I don't think it matters where you put everything, but since I'm doing it, I decided to make it look pretty. So, that's it. That's day 3 of the event. Oops.